Sa mga kaigsunan akong Pilipino, mga kapatid ko, sa lahat na, sa buong bayan ng Pilipinas, Pasko ngayon, somehow, as your former president and a leader of the community, I have to give my yearly marinig man lang ninyo yung ano ko sa what's in my heart. Ang ano ko lang is na sana maawa ang Diyos at yung ekonomiya natin ay hindi bababa, medyo umaakyat, for us to have the opportunity for lahat na gainful employment for everybody and enough money circulation to help others to maintain a little enterprise or business and makahanap buhay ng mga sariling kanilang mga negosyo at maliit na whatever is there. Basta something that is gainfully employed para makatulong sa buhay. So in the spirit of Christmas, I am giving this message with the hope that everybody is comfortable now, at least a little bit. Mas improvements of yesterday. At sana magpatuloy ang law and order na ngayon. Hindi masyado magulo ang bayan natin. At yung peace in the community at the very least will be maintained. So, allow me to greet everybody, every Filipino, to greet you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. At sana itong susunod na taon ay would be better than what we have previously in the last year sa buhay natin. Hinihingi natin yan sa Diyos. Sana marinig naman tayo yung pleadings natin for peace and security for our country, and the prayer, the pleadings that the business sector will improve and everybody, I said, gainfully employed in the year that would come ahead of us. With that, it's my fervent hope that you will have a good year sa ating buhay sa Pilipino natin. Again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. Maraming salamat.